Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the Ecolution Easy Clean Ceramic Nonstick Cookware Set, a 26-piece collection that's perfect for every kitchen. This set is thoughtfully curated to include all your everyday cooking essentials, from a 5-quart stockpot and 3.5-quart sauté pan to a variety of fry pans and even bamboo tools. With its multi-layer construction, this cookware ensures fast and even heating, while the comfort grip handles provide a secure and comfortable hold. The tempered glass lids let you monitor your culinary creations with ease. Health-conscious cooks will appreciate the high-performance ceramic nonstick coating, which allows food to slide out effortlessly without the need for extra oils, and it's made without harmful chemicals like PFOA, PTFE, or PFAS. Plus, cleanup is a breeze since the entire set is dishwasher safe. Whether you're setting up a new home or upgrading your kitchen, this cookware set has everything you need to cook, bake, prep, and shop with ease. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.